tornadoes. Really scary. So today's video is going to be about the time where my town got hit by a tornado. So I was running home from school, not running, but walking, whatever. The first time you were walking, so right when I got in the door, my mom's phone started going off. And I'm just going to make up a fake county name. Brentwood County got a tornado warning. And I was like, oh, what? And I asked my mom, hey, what's going on in the basement? And no. And I was all like, what? Are you serious? And that's my story for tornado today. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and yeah, bye.